Hello everyone, it's Donna from Thread Treasures Embroidery, and I had a question on one of my Wilcom videos about being able to mock up and what version of Wilcom is required for it. And I don't know, I just have the digitizer, so I can't speak to the others, but I was wondering if you could mock up your designs in Embird. And I'm like, well, you probably can. So I tried it, it worked, and here's how I did it. So here's a design I have, and I'm going to take this into editor right now. And I'm going to turn it on the 3D mode. And then I'm going to say image open. And I've got some mock-up shirts or designs, pictures, and I'm just going to open one. And as you can see, it comes in very large. But then you can, move your design around, maybe resize it a little bit. And how I personally would mock this up then, I would do a screenshot by doing a print screen, going into Paint, pasting that in, and then I would select the picture and crop it. And that way you can do a little mock-up. Well, wait, let's take off the where I had the design highlighted so it'll look like it's actually on there. So let's do that print screen again. Take it over here into Paint and paste it in. Now you can see it a little better without, the square around there. So let's cut this thing off. Okay, we're going to crop this. And that would be an easy way for you to mock up some of your designs with just basic Embird. And that is a very fiscally responsible piece of software that you can get right now to see if you really want to do it before you spend the larger money for something like Wilcom. Anyway, hope you find this a little bit useful. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and we will talk to you later. Bye.